truly Zahra Elise, and today we're on the range because we're gonna get some practice in, some much needed practice in. It is cold, hence my new long sleeve. What do you guys think? You like? So let's do it. Let's get some drills down. We're gonna do long game, short game, little practice at the range. All right, the first club we're practicing is my handy dandy 7-iron. Hybrid. Boom. 5 hybrids. See, I thought you were talking about 5-iron. Move on to 5 hybrid. Hybrid. Tricky. Next club, Big Daddy. Me and Big Daddy, you see, we got an interesting relationship. So, we got to spend more time together.
Same stance, but you want to set up a little, you're kind of settling to the right side.
Okay.
So you'll kind of rock back a little bit. So from right there, just take your head and shoulders and just kind of rock back a little bit. Right, there you go. So you're trying to set up to kind of look at this side of the ball.
Okay.
Did he catch it?
No, but it bounced up the tree and went like this. My bad. I have boomerang balls.
So we gotta keep.
It hit the tree and it came back.
Jesse caught it on the fly.
No, you
It almost hit him. Yeah.
There you go, right back to you.
Thanks.
So let's go back even further behind it. There you go. Give yourself time to square up. Further behind you get, You can help. Just take a little step with the right foot. Just step out a little bit so you can get even further behind it. So it's just with the head and shoulders.
Yeah.
Just take a little, just try and get behind it with the head and shoulders.
They said we're up.
Okay. How are you? Nobody knows. I went into a different realm.
You're too tame. We're trying to separate the ball from you so that when
Yeah.
you swing around, it'll go further left.
Separate the ball from you.
That's right.
You are not one with the ball. The direction was better,
It's proving.
but the flight was not there.
Hi, Grant.
Too fast. The thing of it is with the Big Daddy, the timing is different than with the
With the iron.
iron.
Yeah. The club's tending to hit the ground the same place with the hybrid and the fairway. So it's getting the club to swing around your body in a gradual descent.
Yeah.
So it's actually on its way down and sliding underneath the ball, fully in the tee flat. It's just bottoming out a little too soon.
Yeah.
A little closer to it. That was dizzy.
Yeah. It's bottoming out like you said. I wonder if I need to be further from it.
That's a good path.
I might hit Dave.
Did you jump a little bit there?
I was watching him right on the toe.
What the?
Practice swing.
Do you see what I mean about this Big Daddy?
Just clip the tee. Get a little closer to it. Lay the tee flat.
I missed the tee. Heads up.
Whoa.
I had it. You did.
What the-
I was trying to catch it, but it came
I
out too
have boomerang balls. I'm telling you. So we're trying to add some more tilt to my backswing, correct, Dave? We're gonna see how this extra tilt works out. Extra tilt, please.
Alright.
Well, I can't say it didn't. I can't say it didn't. I'm gonna say it didn't on that one. better.
A little closer.
Changing clubs back to the 7. Dave, why'd we go back to the 7?
It's good training.
Oh, am I teeing up on the 7? He just wants me to leave here with a little confidence. I know it. Just kidding.
Close it up. There it is. Nice.
All right, we're moving on to the putts. I like the putts because it rhymes with
What's that?
putts. Rhymes with putts. All right, Dave, what are we doing? Putting?
Yes.
Putting over at yonder. So line them up. You know what it is. Well. Circle of life. It's the circle of life. And it's not easy. Circle of life. Only some survived. But we got a few in. Not bad. Not not bad at all. Thanks for joining me on the range today, you guys. We're trying, you know. I think things are happening. The progress is a little slow, but you know, more practice is all that's needed. So thanks for joining me, thanks for being patient with me, and thanks for going along on this golf journey with me, because it's not stopping, I promise.